dude, you get a gold star. This is like the prize that wins the internet, right? The buy once, cry once, 100%. Do it once, do it right. Guys, I hate to admit this, probably shouldn't say it out loud, but whatever. I'm obviously not 18 years old, right? I'm freaking 53. At 53 years old, you do not want to do things twice. You get in there, you do the job, you get it done, you do it once, move on. If you want more information, more than what's here, find me on YouTube. I'm just FICM Repair on YouTube, and do a search in my channel called While You're In There, a head gasket conversation. Sweet Jesus. There's a whole laundry list of crap to think about, and there's also a link to our product page on FICMRepair.com that talks about, basic, gold, silver, bronze, platinum, whatever the marketing people wrote the package to be. But there's a lot of things to consider while you're in there. So we're a solutions company. Our goal is never to sell you anything. We just want you to know how the world works and know what your options are so you can best pick the right solutions for you. We rep for everybody. We don't have a dog in the hunt, though, so we just want to help you be on the road, not the side of it, and me be able to be in there, spend the time, and just do it once and move on with life with your family. So hope this helps somebody. We're all in this together. Thanks, guys.